Next hack to demo is hack number 13 IntelliShop. Hack number 14 Yahoo Answers X. Are you here? Okay, so hack demoing is hack number 13. Your time starts now.
How many of you have read loads and loads of online reviews trying to pick a phone which fits in your budget and use cases? Given a feature is present in a product doesn't mean its quality is good. So on one side we have sites like CNET which have in-depth reviews for a particular product, and on other sides we have sites like Flipkart where people go to buy a product but do not have in-depth reviews. We have tried to combine both of these using IntelliShop.
So what we have done is we have tried to augment the popular shopping site Flipkart with the user review information in a color-coded manner. So red represents negative sentiment for that particular feature, green represents positive sentiment, and yellow represents lack of data. So this is the individual view where the different features of a single mobile phone are presented. As you mentioned earlier, given that a feature is present, it doesn't necessarily mean that it is good or bad. Apple Maps being present in iPhone doesn't give me an indication of how good Apple Maps is. And this is the product timeline where the different models of the same brand are compared. This is useful to analyze the evolution of a product and in deciding future products. While this is over here, you can see that document viewer introduced in ACE had a negative sentiment, but in subsequent versions it has improved. So you can analyze how a particular feature has improved or declined. And while this is for the company view, the next view will help the user compare different models across different brands. We are presenting the sentiment, not just the feature present, not present, as is shown in most sites, in the compare view of most sites.
This is the compare view. The next question which arises is how we have done this. So we have extracted feature list from the Flipkart site, which is already shown in this kind of table. And we have extracted reviews from CNET. We have linked each and every feature with a part of the review and passed it on to our sentiment classifier. The sentiment classifier that we have used is a Delta TF IDF SVM. We obtained it using MPQA electronics dataset, and the accuracy on the test data was 85%. After getting the sentiment for all the features, we pass back the same pair to Grease Monkey, which then renders it on Flipkart on the local host. Thank you.
What was it that was done in 24 hours? Because sentiment analysis was not done in 24 hours. What was done in 24 hours?
Rendering it using Grease Monkey, extracting all the reviews. So the whole pipeline was made in this 24 hours. The only thing which we had developed earlier was SVM classifier. And even for that, I didn't have electronics dataset. So I extracted MPQA dataset, made it compatible to my script, and ran the whole pipeline.
So what was the challenge here?
The major challenge was in getting the electronics dataset and seeing. So electronics dataset was in a particular format. I had to extract only mobile reviews. The second major challenge was to map features to a particular part of the review, because only those review parts should be sentiment tagged for the feature.
And this matching was done?
This matching was done using LDA.
Right, but that is not developed in these 24 hours. So
I used a library called GenSim for that.
all right, no. So at some level, what I'm saying, what were the challenges, core challenges, not just kind of sitting for 24 hours? What are the core challenges that were solved?
Sir, one major challenge we faced was in Flipkart, the screen parameters are represented using a heading called screen. But CNET, it discusses screen in various other features. There is display, there is what to look out for. It describes screen in various other features. So I have to extract the parameters for screen from from the whole text. So matching these parameters, and if you look at Flipkart, there will be two types. One is the display type, the other is battery type. Now I can't go search for type in the text. I'll have to search for particular display type, and I'll have to match it with the words they are using in Flipkart. Doing that matching was a bit of challenge. And we implemented a naive cluster using Levstein distance.
There's a difference between challenging and time consuming.
No,
I'll give a simple example. If you have to write numbers from 1 to 1 million, it is time consuming, but it's not challenging.
we'll have to figure out what words to match, right?
The challenge part is, what you're saying is true. We kind of had an idea of how to make the product right from the start. But the challenging part was to put all the pieces together. We know that in real life, all the theory components don't really fit together. And the results are not usually extremely well. But in this case, we tuned all the parameters and got it working. So that was a challenge. We have seen a number of sentiment analysis projects. If you can go, you can see, look at TweetMiner. Even that, the sentiment is not really that great. So that was a challenge in itself. This is just 85%. I've tried my best.
No, just see, I'm not a CS guy, so some that NLP question, right? If the review says something like, "Let me talk about display and battery life," the former is beautiful, but the latter sucks. Will it be able to pick up that display
Yeah.
is positive and
Yes,
battery
yes.
is negative?
Yes, it depends on the training data. So if training data is containing all these features and my trainer knows, my classifier knows that for a certain feature, it was positive or negative, even when it sees the feature next time, it will be able to do it popular. So
But
it's totally dependent on training data.
But did you understand my English phrase, what I said?
Yes.
Let me
Yes,
talk
it's
about.
possible. It's possible.
Yeah.
But there is a constraint which is training data, which is very time consuming.
I mean, his question was more on anaphora resolution because you actually don't mention the products at all in the phrase which has the adjectives. I'm
Yeah.
very doubtful you are handling it.
We used LDA, sir. So it's getting synonyms at least. We could show the demo. Okay, we could show that view also, but we have not handled it here. So you're saying that just instead of just coloring, you want to see the review also, review text.
Now or we want to see? You want to see? No, we didn't show a demo because it's Wi-Fi dependent. We didn't know how good the Wi-Fi over here is. So that's why
Yeah.
we made a screencast. We have the demo ready.
All those things could be augmented later. This is just a proof of concept.